More schools are considering going fully remote for learning, where students attend school virtually instead of in a classroom. With community spread continuing to be a source of infections, some parents may wonder what's safer for their children. News 3's Madeline Parker joins us live from Carbondale, where they've switched over to all virtual. Madeline, what do health officials say is the safest option?
Mark, many schools across the region are still debating which is the best for their students, in-person learning or remote learning. Now, many schools, including Carbondale Middle School, which you can see behind me, are making decisions based on what's best for their students. Now, according to Jackson County health officials, the best option is remote learning if done properly. While committing to remote learning can affect other parts of kids' health, such as emotional and social health, experts agree that keeping kids home lowers their risk of catching COVID-19. The problems occur when social distancing practices are not extended outside of just school. Bart Hagston from the Jackson County Health Department says for remote learning to be effective, parents need to make sure that children limit interactions with the public as much as possible in order to limit exposure.
It does no good to then have the kids going to birthday parties or to multiple types of functions where they're exposed to many different people outside their household. So that does limit the effectiveness of the remote learning. So just extend that same concept of keeping your kids home and safe to other parts of their life as well.
According to the CDC, children are less likely to have severe symptoms of COVID-19 than adults, or not exhibit any symptoms at all. The CDC also says that communities with lower transmission rates are also pose lower risk to school children. But the Jackson County health official said this morning that transmission in Jackson County is up by 1,100%. We will find out more about how the community transmission is affecting numbers in Jackson County coming up at 6. Live in Carbondale, Madeline Parker, News 3.